Sometimes you have the components in your schematic diagram or panel layout that do not have catalog data attached. By using missing catalog data in the Reports tab and Schematic panel, you can display the catalog data which is missed. After choosing this tool, you will be asked to show the components that do not have catalog data. When you choose Show button, the components that do not have catalog data will be highlighted. If you zoom in or zoom out on your drawing, the sign will be eliminated. To explain about the other option in the Missing Catalog Data, I want to back to this tool. As you see, there is other option which is Report button, and by using this tool, you can get a report and extract information from your drawing. Choose this button and as you see, the Schematic Reports dialog box will be displayed, and the procedure to create a report is same as the previous steps that I explained before. For example, you can select a report name and then go to Other step. Next, select the drawings to process and then go to the next step. Edit the information that you want in the Report Generator edit box, as I said in the previous section, and finally put the report on your drawing wherever you want. This was a summary of creating a report by using Missing Catalog Data tool.